All right, in this video, I'm gonna give you the 5 best crypto exchanges that you can use, whether you're new, whether you're a pro, and I'm gonna tell you what are the advantages of each crypto exchange and why and when you use them. These are exchanges that I personally use. There's no fluff, no BS, so make sure you pay attention because we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Britta Fans. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Britta Fans.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about crypto, all about cryptopreneurship. And in this video, we're going to be talking about crypto exchanges. And more specifically, I'm going to give you the 5 best crypto exchanges that you can use, whether you're new, whether you're a veteran, and why use each one, what are the benefits of each one, with no fluff, no BS. And I'm going to leave links in the description down below. They are referral links, but you will also get a bonus using these links, plus you get to help out the crypto factor. Now, with that said, make sure you do not leave a large amount on any crypto exchange, not your keys, not your crypto. We'll talk about that later on, but let's dive in and get straight to the exchanges. All right, so first up, we have Phemex. Now, Phemex is a great exchange that's bringing a lot of innovative products on its exchange that other exchanges simply don't have, and they are taking market share. They're very easy to use, it's very clean, very simple, but also, as I said, they're bringing some innovation to this. Now, we were sponsored by Phemex. Our contract has finished, but I have to mention them because they are actually quite good, and they do bring new things to the table. For example, they bring Memex, and Memex is a way to actually buy meme coins before they list on exchanges in a decentralized way using Phemex. And the funny thing is you can actually buy these meme coins before they even list on Phemex. So imagine you can buy meme coins that are not listed on an exchange in a decentralized way on Phemex before they're even listed. It's actually quite great. Now, there's very light KYC. As a matter of fact, if you use the link in the description down below, depending on when you watch this video, you might not be KYC'd at all, but if you want to take it up to another level, you can actually use a VPN if you are in the US or Singapore, but also use your Palau ID, and I'll leave links to those both in the description down below so you can actually check out. But all in all, Phemex seems to be a very simple, easy to use, but powerful crypto exchange. So make sure you check it out. Next up, we have MEXC, one of my favorite crypto exchanges. You can find a lot of coins listed on MEXC before any other crypto exchange. There was some FUD in the past, but I was using it quite effectively. And MEXC is actually a non-KYC exchange. Well, kinda. You can KYC, but they don't force it. So you can actually trade, you can actually use MEXC, you can actually take it to the next levels if you want using a Palau ID or your normal ID, but you can actually use MEXC. I've been using it for years with no issues at all. Of course, they have spot trading, they have futures, they have Meme Plus now, and basically they have a lot of events and so on. And they even have futures trading with leverage. By the way, Phemex and MEXC, both of them are very simple to use, so make sure you check both of them out. Next up, we have CoinMetro, and this is probably one of the safest crypto exchanges that you can use. This is a fully licensed and regulated crypto exchange, and especially if you are in Europe, this is the way to go. I actually used to work for CoinMetro as a marketing director, and I can actually vouch for them that they take this seriously. Kevin Mirko is the CEO right here. He's always on YouTube, always making shorts. He has an extensive knowledge. He actually has the same haircut as me.
I shall call him Mini-Me.
So I really like the guy. We've done many videos together, but CoinMetro is an excellent exchange. If you want to be safe, if you want to do things the real way, the actual way, for lack of better terms, CoinMetro, there's no question about it. Just go to CoinMetro. You're safe, you're good, you're fine. If I was going to leave funds on any crypto exchange, which I don't, I always put them in hard wallets, but if I did, CoinMetro would be the one. Now, they are taking a new approach here. I actually love what they did with their website over here. They're making it very simple to use. And they're saying here, buying crypto made as easy as taking a selfie. This is actually genius because it's also a way to get KYC, because you do need to KYC for this, but it's actually quite genius the way they're doing this. So whoever their marketing director is right now, congratulations. I see exactly what you're doing here. Beautiful. And I will say that CoinMetro is very safe and probably the best crypto exchange out there, especially when it comes to Europe. They also have a beginner mode and an advanced mode, where the advanced mode is exactly the same thing, but in black. I'm just kidding. I'm sure they have more as you actually get in. There's a really cool app that you can actually use. It's actually great. I mean, they have good reviews on Trustpilot. I wouldn't even think about it. If you're in Europe, sign up to CoinMetro, period. By the way, I do have videos showing you how to use these crypto exchanges, or a lot of these crypto exchanges.
What do I do?
So I'm going to leave links to those in the description down below as well, so you can actually check them out, so you can pick your favorite one. So make sure you check out the description, and yeah, let's keep going with the video. All right, next up we have a non-KYC exchange, and as you can tell by the name, this is a non-KYC crypto exchange. Literally, there's nothing to do here. You put your email in here, they send you a link, you click the link, and you're in. No ifs, buts, questions, or anything about it. Now, this does seem dodgy. You might be thinking,
Paul, okay, but this is extremely dodgy here. Non-KYC and saying they're non-KYC?
yes, and while I wouldn't leave any funds on there, I've been using this for years to get cryptocurrencies that I simply can't get anywhere else. They actually list cryptos before many other exchanges, or even cryptos that are not listed on other exchanges. And again, I've used it. I wouldn't leave any funds on there, but it actually works. And there's nothing much to say about this. It's simple, it's fast, it's efficient, and it just works. No KYC, no nothing, not hiding it, not being weird about it. Just, hey, come here, trade, and that's it. So make sure you check it out and see if it's for you. Then we have Bybit, and please make sure you stick around till the end of the video, because I actually have something very important to share with you. But as I was saying, we have Bybit. This is a simple exchange to use. A lot of people are using it. It's simple for new people, but also for pros, and it actually has the Bybit card, a debit card that you can use to actually spend your crypto. And yes, you do need to KYC for this debit card, but last time I checked, you can actually KYC with your Palau ID. Now, you might be able, or you might need to put your actual address and do more for the debit card here, obviously, but generally speaking, this is a very good crypto exchange, and especially good if you are leverage trading or anything like that, because it doesn't have so many scam wicks. You know how you get those wicks where they stop you out while you're trading? I mean, you take a position and it's about to go up, but it goes down first, then goes up. Those are called scam wicks, and most exchanges do that. They stop loss hunt. Well, Bybit has protection against that, or they try to help against that. So it's a very good crypto exchange to actually trade. You can buy crypto just like you can with all these crypto exchanges that I've mentioned so far, and there's different ways to actually buy them. By the way, something I forgot to mention about Phoenix, you can actually do peer-to-peer buys. You can actually buy crypto on the exchange peer-to-peer. It's actually quite interesting. So you can buy crypto, you can view markets, you can trade with leverage, you can go short, you can go long. There are different tools that you can use, trading bots and so on. There is the finance section that you can earn. By the way, other exchanges also have this. There is the crypto debit card that you can actually use, and so much more. Bybit is becoming the industry standard, taking a much market share from Binance, and I actually suggest you check it out. Now, real quick, I mentioned that you have a debit card using Bybit, but it's a KYC debit card. But if you actually want a debit card that's not KYC, and I'm not exaggerating here, you can actually do that. And you can check out Flyback with their Swipe X card. So you can go to Flyback over here, and the link is in the description down below. You can actually get a package to become a reseller over here, but if you go down, you will also see some non-KYC debit card options. So you have a no KYC virtual debit card over here. You have soft KYC silver card and a soft KYC gold card. Now, I have actually used the virtual card myself. It works, and I've ordered the gold card. So once the gold card comes, I'm going to use it as well, but I'm going to leave the links in the description down below, along with a review, so you can see how this works if you're interested in a non KYC debit card. And with that said, if you want to know more about it, I'll just leave the link, or I'll just leave the video right here. So watch this video. This is how it works. It explains everything. Check it out, and I will see you in the next video.